Your car is keeping a secret from you. You've felt it, haven't you? That split-second lag when you merge onto the highway? That heavy feeling when you floor it? Most engines lose up to 15% of their factory power within just a few years. Not because they're breaking, but because they're being suffocated. Today I'm showing you 10 power restores that cost almost nothing, take minutes to do, and will make your car feel like it just rolled off the lot. And stick around for number 9. It's the one thing everyone forgets, and it's literally stealing money from your wallet every mile. 1. The platinum nerve, MAF sensor. Deep inside your intake is a wire thinner than a human hair. This is your MAF sensor. It's the brain that tells your car how to breathe. Over time, it gets coated in a microscopic layer of oil and dust. If it's off by even 10%, your car struggles to think. The fix: don't buy a new one for $150. Grab a $10 can of MAF cleaner, spray the wire, never touch it, and let it dry. Instant throttle response for the price of a coffee. 2. The turbo's best friend, enter MAP sensor. If you have a turbo, this is your bottleneck. The MAP sensor measures pressure. If it's covered in soot, especially on diesels, your turbo won't spool correctly. Clean it exactly like the MAF. Doing both on the same day is the ultimate 20-minute tune-up. 3. The engine's lungs, air filter. Think of a dirty air filter like trying to run a marathon while wearing a mask. A clogged filter kills 20% of your airflow. Pro tip: everyone says performance filters add 50 horsepower. They don't, but they do allow the engine to breathe without restriction. Swap your paper filter for a high-flow dry filter. It's a 5-minute job that pays for itself in a month. The internal cleanse. 4. The butterfly effect, throttle body. Behind your air intake is a metal flap called the butterfly valve. Carbon gunk builds up around the edges, making the valve sticky. This is why your idle feels rough. The hack: use a soft cloth and throttle body cleaner. Wipe away the black soot. Your car might cough for a second when you start it, but once it relearns the airflow, that lazy feeling is gone. 5. The lightning strike, spark plugs. Plugs fire thousands of times per minute. Eventually, the gap grows too wide, and the spark gets weak. You aren't just losing power, you're literally dumping unburnt fuel out of your exhaust. If you haven't checked them in 50,000 miles, you're driving a shell of your car's potential. 6. The unseen blockage, fuel filter. Your fuel pump is screaming for help. A clogged filter means that when you floor it, your engine is starving for gas. On older cars, this is an easy 15-minute swap under the car. On modern cars, it's in the tank. Please like and subscribe for part 2.